Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. This is 2024 and I will show you two different methods how to download GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. So I'll show you step by step how to do it. The first method is go to the Rockstar Games website. Just go to this website, which is called rockstargames.com. Then you need to log into your account. On the top right corner you can log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Then once you will log in, you need to click games on the top menu, and in the list you need to find this game, which is called the Definitive Edition Grand Theft Auto the Trilogy. Guys, you need to click this. So guys, this trilogy includes three games, which are Grand Theft Auto 3 Definitive Edition, Grand Theft Auto Vice City Definitive Edition, and the San Andreas. Guys, we are searching for San Andreas. This game also includes Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Definitive Edition. Guys, you need to click Buy Now button on the top right corner. You need to click Buy Now, choose your favorite payment option, finalize the payment, and then you can download the game. There is also another way how to download GTA San Andreas. You can go to Google, type download Steam, open the first result, click install Steam, then create a Steam account and open the Steam, guys. Then you can go to the store in the top menu and in the search bar type Grand Theft Auto. Click the search button. And in the list, you need to find Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, the Definitive Edition. Click it. And the good news is that this game also includes Grand Theft Auto 3 and also Vice City. So you can click Add to Cart button, click View My Cart. Then you need to click Continue to Payment. You need to scroll this down and choose your favorite payment option, click continue button and finalize the payment. Then you can check your game in the library. On the left side you will see San Andreas, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.